All right, so we are going to be looking at Rain-X water repellent, and we're going to be looking at how to apply it to a windshield. Today we're looking at a F-150 windshield. Biggest thing is with the first step is always make sure that your glass is clean. Wash the vehicle before you attempt this. Wash it and dry it. And first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to open it up. And as you can see, it's a bottle. I'm going to take off the cap. I'm going to remove the safety thing here. I'm going to remove that. And screw that back on. Now, first thing to realize with this is do not, and I repeat, do not get this on your paint. Do not get this on any rubber, and do not get this on any plastics. Only use it on your windshield. Only use it on glass, and don't use it on window tint. Use it on exterior glass only. I'm going to be using one microfiber towel here. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this box. I'm going to be using a microfiber. I'm going to fold it into fours. This is going to be step one in the application process. So I'm going to fold this into fours, and I may do one more so that way the towel is like so. Then I am going to apply just a little bit here, just enough. I'm going to close the tab. And I'm going to do one section here just to show you the application process, and you just repeat it over the entire windshield. So let me go ahead and start here. First thing I'm going to do is lift up this, and then I'm going to run in a cross hatch pattern. That means up and down, side to side. Okay, just make sure I got all coverage right here. So, next thing I am going to do is during this step, I'm going to show you, you can see how it's drying. And it will dry to a haze. I'm going to take another microfiber towel, and I'm just going to wipe it off, like so. Now, here's a key, a trick to doing this. So, I'm going to take the same microfiber towel, correct? And I'm going to dampen it with water. The reason I'm going to wipe this with a damp towel is because it's going to eliminate any chance of any haze or smearing left behind in the application process. So I'm going to wipe it with the dry side, and you have now applied Rain-X to the windshield. Okay, now you're probably wondering, if you've never used Rain-X, how does it actually perform? How does it work? Well, I'm going to show you right now, just to show you how it beads. And again, this is the Rain-X glass repellent, and you can see that it works just that easy. It's easy to apply, and all you need is just a few microfiber towels. That's all you need. And you can get microfibers from any big box store. The same place that sells this Rain-X water repellent, 9 times out of 10, they're gonna have some microfibers maybe sitting on the shelf right next to it. So if they don't, just ask someone to direct you to them. So There we go.